In this video, we'll discuss how to add badges to your documentation titles in EazyDocs. Remember one thing, before you start, EazyDocs Pro license must be activated. Firstly, navigate to EazyDocs Pro plugin from the dashboard and create a section named EazyDocs. In this section, let us create a doc named EazyDocs. We will add badge to this doc title. To help with this, EazyDocs offers a custom badge feature within its documentation builder. Let's see how to add a badge. Let's navigate to badges. Now add badge, name it whatever you like. Let's name it Premium. Add slug to this badge and then select the colors for this badge. Choose whatever colors you like. I leave this to you. Now go to the EazyDocs doc file. In here, let's add badges for this title. Here is the badge option, let's add it, and click Update to save the changes. Now go to the View doc. Here we can see the Premium badge has been added. Thank you for watching.